Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hack.
Ever play tug of war trying to remove a boot from a spark plug?
Worse yet is when you pull so hard on the cable that the wire connection is stripped from the boot.
Our reader Joseph can relate to that situation. That's why the farmer created this nifty spark plug boot puller from an Allen wrench. Joseph chose an Allen wrench with a T-handle as it provides extra gripping power.
Using a torch, he bent the end of the tool into a semicircle about 1/2 inch from the bottom of its shaft. That semicircle was then bent at a 90-degree angle. That creates a yoke that slips under the boot. Pull up on the handle and off comes the boot intact with the wire connector.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired tips like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for this spark plug boot puller from Joseph C. in the Shop Hacks contest.